Hi, I'm Dawn from Restorative Sleep Solution, your DME specialist. I'm going to go over a few things with your resupply and how often you can bill your insurance for CPAP supplies. This sheet here is a nice guide for your reference on that. This section tells you how often you are able to bill insurance for those supplies. It's very important to replace and clean those. We do accept most insurances as well, and then also if not, we do allow private pay for those supplies. It is pretty important as far as your supplies goes. They do wear out as you use them. As far as your water tank, you know, it could have mildew in it if you're not replacing it. Your gear wears out as well. Cushions, the cleaner you keep them, the better you're going to have results. I would recommend to wipe off daily on those, and those can be replaced through insurance on a monthly basis. I do recommend to wash all of your CPAP supplies weekly with hot soapy water. This would show you all of those instructions. It's just going to seal better. You're going to have better luck with your mask. Hopefully you wouldn't have skin breakdown as well. That's the goal, to keep supplies washed and replaced. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, happy sleeping.